So welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be styling this cute little curly bob. Today's hair sponsor is Alipearl hair. I have worked with them a few times in the past. What I have installed is a 16-inch 13x4 Swiss lace body wave wig. Density is 180%. So this wig is kind of on the bigger side, so we're gonna have to cut off quite a bit of lace. What I just sprayed is a heat protectant, not a hairspray, but it will kind of, you know, push the hairs back, but it's not going to like hold it permanently like a hairspray would. Might make my install go a little bit smoother. I'm gonna go in with some gel this time. This is the Ebon gel. It is the holding gel. Guys, that's the best it's going to be. Just need to accept those baby hairs and move along. Baby hairs will be the death of me. I've installed over 200 plus wigs and I still struggle with baby hairs. We're going for a middle part. This wig came styled in a middle part. I did bleach the knots off camera. This is what the curls look like now. I think it's important for you guys to see when the hair is washed what those curls will look like. Let's use some wax stick. I have a really big barrel curling iron that I'm going to be using. The longer you hold it, the better it is. It's going to press it out and it's going to make it silky and curl. We are getting there.
Makes me tremble within. That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face.
Some of the things that I really liked about this wig, when I got it out of the package, the hairline was already like somewhat pre-plucked, but the knots were really tiny on the wig. As you can see, it's still holding the curls. The hair got really silky just from the one curl pass. I love the density on this wig. It is very full. It's not giving thin at all. I am here for it. If you guys want to check out this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. If there is a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. This is how she came out. Let me know what you guys think. Super silky, super bouncy. Alipearl definitely has good hair. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I love you without